I think the world deserves one more honing video. Yep. Here we are, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. We're back on the motor, on the 250 that we're building up, and
You'll remember that one.
yeah,
It's in pieces.
so yeah, here it is, sort of back onto the project. So today we're gonna polish up the crank the preferred YouTube way. Like, you know, you go to YouTube and you enter polish the crank in your garage, you know, that sort of thing, and it just everybody just does this one way. And that's the way we're going to do it. So everybody just gets a piece of wet and dry sandpaper. We've got a 1500. You know, cuts a strip, wraps it around the journal, and then just uses like an old shoelace and just like what, like, you know, like polishing up a bowling ball. And it seems to be like that's just the method that everybody uses. I don't know. So I guess that's what we're going to be using.
It's almost too good for us.
We don't want to go against the YouTube method.
No.
So, well, what I saw, you just sort of like cut up a strip. So we've got our strip, and then we've got to put some oil on it, right? Oh, that stuff, you reckon?
I don't know.
Yeah. What are we going to start? The rear main? So make sure everything's clean, okay? You wrap it around like that, and then you get your shoelace. So we just got a bit of.
Does it have to be a high performance shoelace?
No, no, it can't.
Okay.
No, it can be just your old shoelace.
Okay.
So you wrap it around like this, right? And you just do this. This is the preferred YouTube way. I mean,
If it works, it works.
Yeah.
I guess.
Well, you know, you've seen this. You've seen this as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
I've seen it. Yeah.
Like, I'm not making this
I'm
up.
just, you know,
Yeah.
providing light humour to
Yeah.
situation right here.
Yeah. Well, I'm already in trouble.
You
I think
are.
maybe we need. Oh, here we go. We need.
Maybe we need to clamp the thing down.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, but how? Like, it's such an odd shape. We can clamp it with clamps.
I ought to clamp you. You want to be clamped? Whoa, whoa, calm down, clamps.
Give them the clamps.
Clamps. Yeah, so that's unpolished. Well, this is one we haven't touched. So yeah, they're pretty bad. Just after 1 minute, it's looking like that. So I got 1500 and I got 2000. We can
Yeah,
do
do
pass.
polish it.
Yeah, and after 2000 we'll do the metal polish on the rag. You probably find that the crank will exceed your expectations.
Both of our expectations
Yeah.
added together.
Yeah, it's like polishing a bowling ball.
Yeah, that's right.
Backyard machine shop.
What level do you want this at?
I'd say level 3.6.
Level 3.6.
Yeah, yep. What are you doing there, mate?
Watering the garden. Do you need some watering the plants? Oh, you mean the crank?
Yeah. You leave that crank alone, mister. Oh, we're just getting all the dirt out of it. Hey guys, so we did the preferred YouTube method of crank polishing. The shoelace and the wet and dry sandpaper method. And have a look at this. Have a look at it. That's, you know, it's shiny. It's definitely achieved something. We achieved shininess. If you call that an achievement.
Looks pretty good from here.
yeah,
Like, way back here looks amazing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Looks like we bought a brand new.
Yeah, that's right. And yeah, so we hosed it with some
Gardenia hose.
Gardenia hose, precision hose system, and cleaned up the rear main as well. The rear main, whatever you call that flange. That's looking a lot better now, and look, it's overall, it's about, I'd say it's about 3 out of 5 crank. How about that? 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. I'll take that.
That's like no ball.
I'll take
3
that.
out of 5.
Yeah.
Like this can be a lot worse. It can be 4 out of 5. 5 out of 5 is brand new crank. You know, it's a 3 out of 5. Or maybe 2.8 out of 5 crank. Look.
2.8. Yeah, we'll give it 2.8.
2.8.
All right.
So now we're back on the block. We're back on the block and we've sort of had a go at honing number 1. So look, we had a go. We did some honing and we're going to continue with that fashion. We've got our trusty hone here that we purchased with our own hard-earned money, and that's going to be used today. But same thing, we just need to clean up all the bores. You know, just get some... How many honing videos are on YouTube? Like, you literally type in hone cylinder wall and it's like...
How many do you want? How many videos do you want?
I think the...
Dude.
I think the world deserves one more honing video.
One more honing video?
Yeah.
Alright.
Coming right up. This is like a torture weapon. Welcome to my garage, Mr. Bond.
I expect you to die, Mr. Bond.
I expect you to die. Just put some oil down there, nice and thick. Just how the crossflow likes it. Just thick oil. And now we're going to run this oil when we...
Damn straight we are.
Yeah. I mean, just the thicker the oil, the better for XF, right?
Yeah.
Like, that's the...
Well, it makes up for the extra race clearance that we put into it.
Now, what I've seen on the internet is that you don't pull it up, pull it out.
You're going to pull it up and
then
pull it out?
scratches up, right? So you hone it.
Yeah.
So first of all, be careful not to hit the caps when you go plunge down,
Ah.
right?
Yep.
And then when you sort of done it, don't just like yank it out.
Okay.
Like squeeze them together and then pull it out, if that makes sense.
Yes.
That was my half an hour of watching video honing videos on YouTube. My YouTube certificate in honing technology.
Okay. As long as one of us is qualified.
Yeah.
No, we've done anything wrong.
That's good.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's the thing not to do, right?
Yeah, that's what you don't when trying to avoid, yeah. Oh, we should probably degrease it, right? Oh yeah? Well, that looks like a honed cylinder. That's it. That's looking better. Yep. See? Yep. Looking like a brand new block. Cool, and just do the last one. Cool. Give it a degreaser and the hose, garden hose treatment. Precision hose system.
Yep, precision.
Gardenia.
Okay.
The Gardenia Clean Shop. Hey guys, quick tip for you. I'm just painting the engine block here, but this applies for any spray paint that comes in the can. So what many people do is they just go like this and they start spraying. No, what you should be doing, you should be start seeing dents on the bottom here. Let me demonstrate. See? When you start seeing dents like that, that's when you know you can spray. That's how you mix paint.
Brought to you by the lobotomy series.
Oh, he's got his hands on the rattle can again.
Can't get me away from rattle can.
Oh, look at that. White crossflow. What a thing of beauty.
Has there ever been a white crossflow before?
No. This is the first in the world. Strategic colour, so we can trace oil licks a lot easier, and just generally, white represents innocence, No, innocence.
No,
Okay.
innocence. Yes.
Alright,
We're the good guys.
we're the good guys. At least for this story of ours. That's already dry. That's very quick drying. A sign of good paint is dries quickly. That's what my shop teacher used to tell me all the time. Hey guys, putting on some rubber gloves because we're going to be using some oven cleaner, Sellies. We just clean the pistons from all the gunk and carbon. So yeah, look. Just gonna mix it up. If it's Sellies, it works, right? Oh yeah. So it says 4 minutes, right? Leave it 4 minutes. I'm just trying to clean out these grooves. Yep. Here we are, guys. Got the block cleaned up today, painted, honed, cleaned up pistons from carbon as well with some oven cleaner, polished up the crank. It's all coming together. Make sure you guys subscribe and press like and thumbs up and visit our shop. We've got some awesome shirts for sale.
If you want any more of this shenanigans,
Yeah.
support
How
us.
much power is this engine going to make, you reckon? 1,000 horsepower?
1,000? The internet reckons that everything should be 1,000 horsepower, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's send it. No, yeah, you did a good job on the hone.
Me?
Yeah.
No, you.
You did the honing, mate. If anything goes wrong, it's your ass.
Yeah.